Hello skaters! Today we are going to work on edges with creative arm and free leg positions. Edges are the foundation of all your turns, jumps and spins, so it's very important to practice them every day. However, they can sometimes feel a little boring, so we have decided to make it more fun by changing the arm and free leg positions. We'll start with forward outside edges on half circles. Keep your arms folded in front of you and try to work only with your legs, maintaining your arm position throughout the exercise. This will help you control your balance over the skating leg and keep your upper body stable while focusing on the bend in your knees and ankles. Now we are going to move into forward inside edges. This time, keep your arms straight behind your back, holding your hands together. After you push, extend your free leg behind you, then bring it through in front, twisting your upper body slightly into the circle. Before you push, keep your feet close together, then extend after the push and continue gliding on the circle, moving your free leg from back to front close to your skating leg. The most important part of this exercise is to control the twist of your upper body without using your arms for help. Keep them straight behind your back the entire time. If you are a beginner skater who is still working on basic edges and not quite ready for creative variations yet, make sure to check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. This course includes step-by-step tutorials with common mistakes and tips on how to avoid them for each element of your skating, starting from marching and going all the way to single jumps, spins, and more advanced skills. After completing this course, you will become a well-rounded and confident skater. Go to my website today, sign up, and join our fast-growing skating community. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more information. Now we are moving on to backward edges, starting with the backward outside edge. Hold your arms straight up above your head and keep your free leg in front of you. After the push, rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle. Maintain your arms straight above your head and your free leg in front as you glide in twist position until you complete the circle. Then switch to the other foot. This exercise, just like the previous ones, helps you eliminate unnecessary arm movements and focus more on your upper body twist, free leg control, and work of your skating knee and ankle. Now we are going to move on to the backward inside edges. Place your hands on your waist with your elbows pointing out. Push onto the edge using a 1-foot swivel, and after each push, twist your upper body to the outside of the circle. Keep your free leg close to your skating leg throughout the movement. This position helps improve your edge control, balance, and body alignment while keeping your arms steady and engaged at your waist. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos and tutorials. You can also consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can email me directly with any of your skating questions and even request a personalized video on the element of your choice. Click on the link above or check the description below for more information and join today. Our next 4 exercises will include different free leg movements. We'll start with forward outside edges. After the push, extend your free leg behind you, then bring it through passé, holding your free leg as high as you can with your knee turn out. Extend it in front of you at the end of the circle, then bring your feet closer together before pushing into the next circle and repeating on the other foot. Bend your knees and ankles. After the push, keep your skating knee bent, turn out your free leg and hip, and bring it through passé to extend in front of you. Keep your arms extended to the sides and move your free leg together with your hips and shoulders for smooth, controlled motion. Now we are moving on to forward and side edges. This time we are going to bring the free leg around and cross behind the skating leg. After the push, extend your free leg between the side and back position, then continue moving it around until it reaches the cross behind position. Make sure to bend your skating leg as much as possible when your free leg crossed behind, and keep your hips directly under your body for better balance and control. A modified version for beginner skaters can be done by lightly placing your free leg on the ice after crossing behind. This will help improve stability while still training proper body alignment. Keep focusing on strong knee bend in your skating leg and maintain your hips under you throughout the movement. Now we are moving on to backward outside edges, where the free leg will move from forward to side to backward. The biggest challenge in this exercise is to keep your hips and skating foot aligned while maintaining the free leg position. Don't let your free leg drop, keep it at roughly 90 degrees from the beginning to the end, and perform the movement slowly and with control, moving from forward to side and then extending backward. Start with a slightly bent skating leg after the push, straighten it a little as you move the free leg around, and bend again when extending the leg behind you. If you have difficulty holding your leg high, start lower, but always maintain good control of your hips. Over time, as you get more comfortable, your free leg will naturally go higher. Throughout the movement, keep your hips stable, turn out your free leg, point your toes, and try to avoid excessive movements in your arms and upper body while moving your free leg on a circle. Our last exercise will be backward and side edges. This time, the free leg will move in reverse, from backward to side to forward. When you change your feet on the axis, cross your free leg in front during the push, then bring it through from side to forward before pushing again. Repeat the pattern, crossing in front and pushing with each circle. As you cross in front, allow your upper body to rotate slightly to the outside of the circle while your free leg moves from backward to forward. This creates a counter twist where your upper body and free leg work in opposite directions, helping you develop control, coordination, and balance. Great work, skaters! Today we focused on a variety of edges with different arm and free leg positions to help improve your balance, control, and upper body coordination. Remember, these exercises are the foundation of all your turns, jumps, and spins, so practicing them every day will make a big difference in your skating. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.